Hello everyone, this is Priyanka Dubey here, and in this module, I'm going to explain how you can set up your Calendly. We do it so that our leads, our customers can book a call with us for the discovery call so that we can talk to each other and close the deal. Okay, so Calendly is a kind of software which is free of cost, although it comes with upgradation options. But right now we are just starting out, so we don't need to have a paid one. You can use the free version. So here I have signed up just now, and I will put it like that. So once you do that, you will see that you have to set your availability over here. So what is your available hours? For example, you work like from from 10 a.m. to 8 8 p.m. Let's suppose you want people to book calls from 10 a.m. to 8 p.m. You can do that. Obviously it depends upon like how you want to how you want people to book up the call with you. That is the available hours of yours. What are the available days? Suppose you don't want to work on Sunday, so you can skip it. If you don't want to work on Saturday, you can skip it. But you don't work on Sundays and you work on Saturdays, then I will obviously check it, because I want people to book 6 days in a call with me. I will not. I don't want people to book call on Sunday. Otherwise, I am available for them. So also you can customize it later. So don't worry about that. So let's go, and you have to put your day-to-day role at work. So right now that is this one in your case, and let's finish it. Once you do that, now it's your time to set up your Calendly. So here it is a free account, so you can only set one event. You cannot set a whole lot of events because it is a free plan. So let's suppose that you want to customize this one, or if you want to add new event, you can do that. So new event, 1-to-1, event name is discovery call, location is Zoom meeting. I prefer Zoom because I love Zoom. It is used by a whole lot of people, so you can do that. If you don't want to use Zoom, uh, then in that case you can use Google Meet, you can use GoToMeetings, and etc. But most of the international clients uses Zoom, so make sure that you use Zoom. Zoom is a kind of meeting software. So simply you have to uh, sign up with the Zoom, and you have to paste the link here. You have to connect the Zoom with your Calendly. Okay, so here you will go, you will connect Zoom. So I have set it Zoom here. Then you can set the description such as, hey, pick the time that suits you the best. Thank you for booking a call with me, something like that. Then it's fine. You can also choose the color, whatever color you want, you can do that. Now next is the date range. That means that how further the invitee can book a call with you. I don't prefer 60 days, because let's imagine that you are going for um, a vacation, then you don't want obviously to go on a discovery call. So I don't give a whole lot of days to my clients. I just give like 15 to 20 days, like 15, 14, 15 days are fine, 2 weeks is fine, but I don't give more days. It completely depends upon you that how you want to take it on. So yeah, uh, obviously you can choose your availability, as I have done that before. I can choose the duration, or if I want to customize it like this, I can do that. So I'm taking just like 20 minutes. Also, if you want to change the availability, you can do that. You can simply set custom hours, and then you can change the things according to your uh, you know comfort level, and you can do that. Right now I'm just using the exiting schedule. So scheduling conditions is invitee can't schedule within, obviously, you can say 5 hours or 7 hours. So that's fine. So yeah, that's all. You just have to make sure that everything you are choosing up here, it should fit your comfort level and your availability, and that's all. Now next, that's fine. Now if you want to if you want to put additional questions, you can do that. Here you can ask them to fill up their names, obviously, the email, and here you can add more questions. If you want, you can change what services do you need from me, apply. You can also put what is your uh, budget for working with me, apply. You can also put the social media, or you can put like website, whatever you want, or in the next question you can put social media or Instagram handle, etc. Okay, so similarly you can ask questions according to your comfort. What else? You don't need to do all these things. That's fine. Now go to the live page, and here it is how it will look when someone will book a call with you. So this is how it will look. So this is your Calendly link. Let's go to incognito mode. It's working. If I want to book for like 14, I will choose the dates. I will hit the confirm, then I will put all the details out there, and it's good to go. Okay, so this is how it works. I hope it helped you out, and this is how you will send the link to your customers. Okay, and you will put the link to all the uh, social media channels as well, like Instagram, website, Facebook, everything else. So this is how you do that. So yeah, I will see you in the next video.